Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of mediocre computer speakers that can't keep up with your fast-paced lifestyle? Look no further than the Edifier QD35 Tabletop Bluetooth speakers, the ultimate game-changer for audiophiles on the go. With its lightning-fast wireless connectivity and smart tech features, this speaker is the perfect solution for anyone who wants high-quality sound without the hassle of tangled cords. This well-reviewed product has been a hit with many customers who appreciate its sleek design and impressive audio capabilities. The Edifier QD35 boasts dual high-res audio inputs, supporting audio signals with sampling rates of 44.1 kHz, 48 kHz, and 96 kHz, resulting in crystal-clear sound that's simply unparalleled. The ultra-fast charging system, powered by gallium nitride, allows for efficient charging through one USB-C port and one USB-A port, giving you a quick power boost when you need it most. With multiple connections including Bluetooth, USB-A, and AUX-in, you can customize your listening experience to fit your unique needs, and the Edifier Connect app lets you fine-tune your EQ settings for the perfect sound. The quality housing enclosure reduces acoustic resonance, and the advanced sound amplifier and DSP technology work together to build powerful tweeter and woofer without distortion, giving you a rich and immersive audio experience. Whether you're working from home, gaming, or just streaming your favorite music, the Edifier QD35 is the perfect companion, with its user-friendly interaction and mechanical turning knob control making it easy to adjust the mood, light, color and brightness to set the tone for any occasion. So why settle for subpar sound when you can have it all with the Edifier QD35, a speaker that's sure to take your listening experience to the next level? Give it a try and discover a whole new world of pure, unadulterated sound. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.